The furniture business is growing. Unfortunately, this growth requires resources and generates waste. So, how can we create furniture instead of more waste? In Denmark, Carlsberg is ensuring a circular resource flow with their draft beer solution, the Draftmaster. Once the beer has been enjoyed, the empty kegs are upcycled into a sustainable collection of outdoor furniture. The Carlsberg outdoor chairs, benches, and tables were designed by Jørgen and Nanna Ditzel back in 1955. At Mater, we've brought the original designs into a new century with the utmost respect for their timeless aesthetics. All we've changed were the materials. Our first Ditzel collection was made from discarded fishing nets. We named it Ocean. The Carlsberg edition is called OC2. O for Ocean, C for Carlsberg, and 2 for second. We believe that sustainable design should be for everyone,